The prepositional case is used to designate a place, or a person, or an object that is an object of speech and thoughts. This case is always used with the preposition. Они говорят о нем. They talk about him. Here, the pronoun нем, him, is in prepositional form. Next to it is preposition о, about. Именительный падеж, nominative case. Кто, что, who, what. Предложный падеж, prepositional case. О ком, о чем, about whom, about what. Я, I. Обо мне, about me. Он думает обо мне. He thinks about me. For я, I, there is an exception. Обо мне, about me. So, обо, not а. Ты, you, о тебе, about you. Я думаю о тебе. I think about you. Он, оно. He, it. О нем, about him. Я думаю о нем. I think about him. Она, she. О ней, about her. Он думает о ней. He thinks about her. Мы, we. О нас, about us. Он думает о нас. He thinks about us. Вы, you. О вас, about you. Она думает о вас. She thinks about you. Они, they. О них, about them. Она думает о них. She thinks about them. Great! Patience is something that you'll need. I recommend you to print or write down all of the cases and put them somewhere on the wall where you can look at them in your spare time. Make sure that you will do some exercises after this lecture. With practice, you will know all of the cases. Till the next lecture. Пока-пока!